Hello, dear friend. I'm Dr. Helena, a physician with over 25 years of experience guiding patients toward vibrant health, especially those over 60 who want to reclaim their energy and vitality. Today, I'm thrilled to share a powerful, natural recipe that's not only backed by science, but also simple enough to make in your own kitchen. This 4-ingredient morning tonic can help dilate your blood vessels, reduce arterial plaque, and bring back the spark you might feel has dimmed with time. Before we dive in, I'd love to connect with you. What's your name and where are you watching from? Drop a quick comment below. It means the world to know who's on this journey with me. If this resonates with you, please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss future tips tailored for living fully after 60. Got a health question? Share it in the comments, and I'll address the most common ones in upcoming videos. Now, let's get started with a formula that could transform your mornings and your health. Part 1. Garlic, the artery cleansing powerhouse. Let's begin with garlic, a humble ingredient often overlooked as just a flavor enhancer. I'll never forget Maria, a 70-year-old grandmother who came to my clinic feeling sluggish, with cold hands and feet, and a concerning buildup of arterial plaque. She was hesitant about medications and wanted a natural approach. That's when we turned to garlic, not capsules or powders, but fresh, raw garlic used the right way. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that forms when you crush a clove and let it sit for 10 minutes. This simple step triggers a chemical reaction that turns garlic into a potent vasodilator, helping blood vessels relax, lowering blood pressure, and improving circulation. A 2016 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that aged garlic extract can reduce arterial plaque and improve cholesterol levels. For Maria, after just 1 month of taking crushed garlic each morning, her energy returned, her hands felt warmer, and her cholesterol numbers improved noticeably, without a single prescription. Beyond clearing arteries, garlic's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce chronic inflammation, support immune health, and even protect brain function. Here's how to use it. Peel and crush 2-3 fresh garlic cloves. Let them sit for 10 minutes to activate allicin. Swallow with warm water on an empty stomach. Yes, the taste is strong, but clear arteries are worth a moment of garlic breath. Part 2. Ginger, the circulation igniter. Next up is ginger, a fiery root that does more than spice up your meals. I recall James, a 73-year-old retired teacher who struggled with stiff joints and poor circulation. He could barely walk to his garden without feeling winded. We introduced fresh ginger into his routine, and within 2 weeks, he reported warmer extremities and newfound stamina. Ginger's active compounds, gingerol and shagyl, work like a gentle flame, warming your circulatory system, thinning the blood naturally, and boosting oxygen delivery to tissues. A 2019 study in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology showed ginger improves vascular elasticity and reduces blood pressure. It also lowers the risk of blood clots, a major cause of heart attacks and strokes, as noted in a 2021 study. Plus, ginger supports digestion, eases joint pain, and even enhances sleep quality. Here's how to prepare it. Take a 2-3 cm piece of fresh ginger, rinse, and peel if desired. Slice thinly or lightly crush, then steep in 80 degrees C water for 5-10 minutes. Sip slowly on an empty stomach, 20 minutes before breakfast. This simple ritual can become a morning moment of self-care. Part 3. Lemon, the gentle vessel purifier. Lemon might seem like an everyday fruit, but its power lies in its simplicity. I think of Sarah, a 68-year-old librarian who felt mentally foggy and physically heavy, with slightly elevated blood pressure. She started her day with warm lemon water, and within weeks her clarity returned, her skin glowed, and she felt lighter, as if a weight had lifted. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, polyphenols, and flavonoids, which protect the delicate lining of your blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and maintain arterial flexibility. A 2022 study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that daily lemon water can lower blood pressure and slow cholesterol plaque buildup. Lemon also supports liver detoxification, improves hydration, and enhances nutrient absorption, making it the perfect partner for our other ingredients. Here's how to use it. Squeeze the juice of one fresh lemon into 250 ml of warm, not hot, water. Drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This gentle cleanse sets the stage for a vibrant day. Part 4. Honey, the soothing harmonizer. Finally, we have honey, the sweet element that ties this tonic together. I remember Robert, a 71-year-old who found raw garlic and ginger too intense. Adding a spoonful of honey not only made the mixture palatable, but also amplified its benefits. Within 3 weeks, his blood pressure stabilized, and he felt calmer and more energized. Honey is more than a sweetener. It's a natural antioxidant powerhouse with flavonoids and phenolic acids that protect blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Studies show honey can lower LDL, bad, cholesterol, raise HDL, good, cholesterol, and stabilize blood sugar. As a carrier, honey enhances the absorption of allicin and gingerol, ensuring their benefits linger in your bloodstream. Here's how to incorporate it. Add 1 teaspoon of raw, unprocessed honey to your tonic once it cools slightly to preserve its enzymes. Stir gently for a soothing, balanced drink that's as comforting as it is healing. Part 5. Crafting your morning circulation tonic. Now, let's bring these ingredients together into a simple, powerful morning ritual. I think of Anna, a 67-year-old who felt overwhelmed by supplements and gadgets. She craved something straightforward that honored her body's natural ability to heal. This tonic became her daily gift to herself, and after a month, her energy soared, her sleep deepened, and her doctor noted improved blood pressure. Here's how to make it. 1 garlic. Peel and crush 2-3 fresh garlic cloves. Let them sit for 10 minutes to activate allicin. 2. Ginger. Rinse a 2-3 cm piece of fresh ginger, slice thinly or crush lightly, and steep in 250 ml of warm water, 40-45 degrees C, for 5-10 minutes. 3. Lemon. Squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lemon into the ginger water. 4. Honey. Once the mixture cools slightly, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and stir gently. 5. Optional. Strain for a smoother drink or keep the pulp for extra potency. Drink slowly on an empty stomach, ideally 20 minutes before breakfast. If you're on medication, consult your doctor before adding an evening dose. This tonic requires no fancy tools, just consistency and care. Part 6. What to expect with consistency. You might wonder, how soon will I feel a difference? Every body is unique, but here's what I've seen in patients who stick with this tonic for a month. Week 1, subtle shifts like warmer hands or lighter digestion. You might feel a bit more alert. Week 2, improved energy, fewer moments of breathlessness, and better sleep. Some notice clearer thinking. Week 3, deeper vitality. Perhaps climbing stairs feels easier or your mood lifts. Blood pressure may start to stabilize. Week 4, measurable changes like lower cholesterol or better blood flow, often confirmed by lab results. Most importantly, you may feel like yourself again, confident, grounded, and alive. I think of Thomas, a 70-year-old who started this routine skeptically. By week 4, he was walking farther, sleeping soundly, and even rediscovering joy in his daily life. His wife noticed his renewed spark, too. Your journey starts now. Dear friend, you've just taken a step toward reclaiming your vitality. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about honoring the incredible resilience of your body. Garlic cleanses, ginger ignites, lemon purifies, and honey harmonizes. Together, they offer a gentle, natural way to support your heart and arteries. If this resonates, I invite you to try this tonic tomorrow. No perfection needed, just a small, consistent act of care. Share your name and where you're from in the comments, and let me know how your health journey is going. Your questions could inspire my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical, science-backed tips to thrive after 60. Thank you for being here. Your body isn't finished. It's just waiting for you to nurture it back to life. I'll see you in the next video.